walking a little further up the street because I had to stop the video. Some roads are certainly busier than others. Again, another street I don't ever spend any time on, but I do go past with considerable regularity. Not exactly a beautiful day today, but not terrible either. Forecast says 40% chance of showers, but this is Aberdeen, so 40 could be 400, to be fair. It is enough that when the temperature, you can feel the temperature change when the wind stops. You can feel the temperature change when the skies clear up a little bit or the sun manages to break through. It's quite noticeable. And an RV that's worth, well, actually, I don't know what it's worth here. I'm assuming it's a relatively decent amount of money. And see, now we're heading back towards a road that I spend a lot of time on. Not this one. And I'll show you back from whence I came. And I'll be calling it a day in just a moment, once I get to the main road, because then I'm basically going to find a bus. The joys. This road showed up when I did one of the trips out to the airport, and the trip back, to be fair, because this roundabout here is something that plays a fairly large role. On a fairly busy road. Other than coming past here on a Sunday, I don't find it that quiet. That bus I'll see you in the next one.